Hello friends, myself Dr. Dushyant Pradeep and you're watching my channel Dr. Dushyant's Physics Classes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to be online or how to go on air or go live by using OBS Studio and streaming directly on the YouTube channel. So let's start with this. So whatever your channel might be, there is going to be a link over here. Create a video or post. Click on it. There will be two options. One is upload video. You can upload directly the video on it. Other one is go live. So for going live, you have to create a stream over here. So as soon as you go into YouTube Studio, you have to create a stream over there. If you are using the previous stream, you can use that. The settings will be there. So for this video, I'm going to create a new stream. Let's start it with the stream name will be physics. So I'm going to create. If you want to go public, directly go to public, then choose the public from here. Anyone search for and view. Unlisted. Anyone with the link, you're going to have the link after the creation of the stream. Only the people who have that link will be able to watch this video. And the last one, private, only you can view the video. So I'm going to get that unlisted. Purpose, education. If you want to go live today, tomorrow, and after that, you can schedule it by just tapping over here, by just clicking over here, click the name, day, and the time for that. I'm going to go live now. At this present time, I'm going to have the upload custom thumbnail. So for that, click on it. You're going to have that thumbnails you have wanting to have. So welcome to the classroom. I have the thumbnail. After that, complete the settings. If this is meant for kids, go for kids. And if no, then put the no over here. Done. And after that, create the stream. This is the creation of stream on what? On your YouTube. Done. Now, just scroll it up. There is a stream key over here. There is a stream key. There is a auto generated key over. Let it be default. And after that, there is a provision of stream key. Done. Copy that stream key over here. Or you can have this view. Then copy. Just click over here. It will be copied. Now, keep this on your copy table. And after that, go to the OBS Studio. In OBS Studio, as I have already demonstrated in the previous window, in the previous video for you, there is a settings over here. In the settings, go to the stream settings. In the stream setting, there is a place over here for the key. Paste the key over here. You also can check that value, hide, get stream key, and apply. Okay. Now, what you're looking over here, now, after that, start streaming. If you have got this, start streaming, and after that, come back to your YouTube channel. As soon as your OBS Studio got connected, there will be a green button over here and the connection will be excellent connection. If this is the dialog over here, that means your OBS Studio is ready to stream whatever you are going to do on your computer, your PC, your camera. Done. In some time lag, you're going to have this one, the video, whatever you are there in your OBS Studio. There's a preview window over here. What is the preview window? Let's check. This is the preview window over here. Now, this same should be there on your YouTube channel. Look at it. It is same here. Means you are ready to go. And over here, there is a go live button. Now, if you press this, if you are pressing, now you are going live now. Now look, you're going live. And within few seconds, you're live. So that's all about how to get live. And after completing the stream, the video that is created to this live session will be stored in your regular videos. You can change its name, you can edit its setting for your future use. So thanks for watching me. Please use this OBS Studio for your teaching, for other business related purposes, for the demonstration of your products. So thank you very much. Please share this channel, share this video, subscribe to this channel for having great, wonderful videos and technical sessions like this. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful time ahead.